All right, guys, thank you for joining my session in breaking down shares. I mean, breaking down pairs. So I think we can look at VIX 75. Let's break down VIX 75 and see how far we can go with this. Okay, here I've broken down this in 4 hours, but you can see that in 4 hours, we first established the main direction with the bigger trend lines. We first opened the bigger trend lines. And that's what you're looking for as a trader. You have to understand the overall direction that you're dealing with at the moment. So in this case, we're dealing with a bullish trend. And what's happening with this bullish trend is that price is moving in this sequence. Price is moving in this sequence. Okay, I'll use the arc to demonstrate that. Price is moving in this sequence. Price is moving in this sequence. So we can do that. To demonstrate this movement. And then lastly, this point that we should expect. I think so. This is what we should be looking at. So this is the sequence we are focused on, should be focused in. And that's why we can see there's more pressure to the downside. That will help us understand how to further just break down the chart. So I would do this as per movement of this price action. We have to then look at this, press down our lines, and this means that we have become sellers. We have become sellers, and eventually this is our lowest low point. Lowest low point. This is our higher high. So at this point, we have to establish where liquidity is, that which we can use for entering the market. And at this point, we are at the previous high. When price was at the high, came back 50% of this movement, and we are at this point where there is liquidity above it. We can see the banks and institutions coming to take liquidity over this point, the price dropping only to come to test the previous high point. So at this level, definitely we should have been selling at this in this area. So I'm going to highlight this part. This should have been our sell zone. So we expect for price to break the structure below, but not now, maybe if you're saying. But because it has taken liquidity at the bottom, we should expect the price to come to this point. Then, because we are in the buy, we would then confidently say that this becomes our inducement point, becomes our inducement. Okay. This becomes our current low. Current low, so liquidity will be taken, and then once price does that, we should expect for price to go higher. But remember, this is to do justice to this, we need to say that price will form the very same arc. So from this point to wherever price will be, then we should experience such an arc. And this is what we should expect. This is the formation in which price is moving. And thank you for listening. Thank you for being part of this channel. And I appreciate so much, guys. And that's it for me. Tune in for more.